Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in. Day number 77 from the Urban Micro Farm. It's gonna be a short one today. I feel like death warmed over. I've been sick all day. It finally got me. So, hey birds. So Mandy so graciously offered to come out and do all the heavy lifting for me. And she cut some stuff out of the garden again. She's gonna feed that. And so we'll get these birds fed and we'll check in with you from the garden. Stand by.
All right, so here we are in the garden, and I now have a speaking role because James doesn't have a voice anymore. So we'll see how these birds are doing. I let them out earlier and dug up the ground, and they ate a bunch of worms and whatnot. So now we'll get them fed. Give them some, whoa guys. Give them some water. You think we haven't fed them ever. There. They look like they're doing good. But other than that, calling it a day on this rainy Monday. So, adios.